Hello, everyone. This is yet another fun Ashanti tree. Yes, fun Ashanti tree. And so we're going to learn a simple phrase, but it's very common that we use a lot. Mepe, 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 mepe mo, mepe shoe, mepe. Whatever you want. That mepe is I like. I like jollof rice. I like jollof rice. You can say mepe jollof rice, or you could say mepe jollof emo, or mepe emo. I like jollof rice. Mepe jollof rice. Mepe jollof rice. Me is I. Pe is like. Jollof is jollof. Rice is rice. Or rice is emo. Mepe jollof rice. And you can substitute with any food you like. For instance, we can say, I like benku, mepe benku. Or you can say, I like wache, mepe wache, mepe wache. Okay, or red, mepe red, which is fried plantain with beans. Mepe red. All right, so now you know how to say, I like jollof rice in tree. Mepe jollof rice. Me pe jollof rice. When you say mempe, it's I don't like. So you have to be very careful how you make the tone sound. Make it sound me pe me pe me pe jollof rice. All right, so that's the lesson for today. Practice, practice, practice. Thank you for listening. Bye.